watching the ASP Productions on YouTube.
Car does have a stealth mode on it. We can actually push a button after we start, the whole thing will go silent with full power. I'll demonstrate that for you right now. Right now the stealth mode is off. What I'll do is I'll give it a little gas to you here, and then I'll turn the stealth mode on so you hear the difference. Switch yourself into what we call stealth mode. The thing to note about stealth mode is that while it is in stealth mode, it does maintain full power. It is still running. I'll give it some gas to get here.